whole shit. Bald head whole shit. DDB. What's up, y'all? So I'm finna do my Valentine's Day glam. I don't know why this ring light so bright, but I'm living for it. Yeah, so I'm finna do my hair and my lashes, and tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails and toes done. And then I gotta see, like, my outfit is not giving for me. It's not really giving to me. I want to wear the pants so bad, and I just spent like $60 for no reason. Like, the jacket I just got bumped, don't match. I need to figure this shit out before Friday. So I ordered me a Pandora ring, a promise ring to myself, Periana. And I got me some flowers, and what else? I forgot what else I got. And then I'm gonna take myself out to these couple of places, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. So just stay tuned. Period. Skin giving, but I don't know. I need to shave my face. Y'all know I got PCOS, so don't mind. And yeah, let's get into this burgundy wig. Where's she at? Oh, here she go. So this burgundy wig, I'm finna decide what I'm finna do with my hair. I want to do a side part because I'm always doing middle parts, but if it don't work out that way, I'm just gonna do a bust down, and I'm gonna do a style this time because I got some bows right here. They're kind of big as a fuck, but hey, that's all I could find at the last minute. So yeah, let's get into her. She prepped and ready to go, and we finna install her. Yeah, so let's get into it. Period. Alright, so y'all know the drill. Y'all know that I've been doing my hair for a while now, and yeah, I'm gonna just do a little step by step. I am recording for TikTok, so if y'all see me doing other things, don't pay me no motherfucking mind, y'all. So I am getting ready. Y'all know I'm single again. Yeah, back on a prop. I thought it was worth it. Anyway, but yeah, y'all, so I'm getting ready to do a lot of things tomorrow. So this is actually going to be the night before, y'all. I started late doing my hair, so I'm going to be doing a side part. I did not know what style I was going to do. I didn't even know nothing. I just started installing the wig. That's all I did. That's all I did, literally. Like, y'all know the drill. I go in with my Dola hair glue, 3 layers, y'all. And yeah, I got this hair from, I don't even know where I got it from. Let me go look at it. I think Sterling Hair on TikTok Shop. Y'all, they be having some good wigs on TikTok Shop. I have to find me some hair at the last minute, y'all. And I ain't had no collabs at the moment. So, yeah, I'm going to do one more wig after this. And then after that, y'all, I'm going to take a break from wigs, because I feel like my edges need a break. I'm tired of these wigs. I'm tired of doing hair at the moment. And I don't have my new vanity set up. I can barely see. I got to do 2 and 3 ring lights for me to be able to see properly. I might just need to go get some damn glasses. That's what I might need to do. But, yeah, I'm finna prepare myself for a day full of things the next day, y'all. I'm not even gonna tell y'all about the next day because y'all gonna see the next day, but I'm gonna tell y'all about Valentine's Day, what I'm gonna do on Valentine's Day. So my co-worker, she sent me this place so I can go take pictures at, and I found me a little restaurant brunch spot that I'm going to go to, and I'm probably gonna try to go live with you guys, and so y'all can see me get ready and stuff like that right there. Hopefully I do that, but I found me the perfect place to go to, and it's just going to be me. I'm going to see what my mom is going to do. I didn't even think to see if she was going to do something. She told me she going on a date. She got catfish. Like, what? What is going on? But yeah, I don't know if I want her to go with me, but I don't want to go by myself because it's kind of depressing. But hey, it is what it is. She started dressing like awful these days. Like, I don't know. But yeah, y'all. I got a story time for y'all. I don't even want to tell it during my hair, because it deserves its own little video, because I thought I was standing on business. Well, I did stand on business. I'm not going back to the old shit. I'm on to some new shit. You get what I'm saying? I'm all about me. I've been losing weight, working out every day. Even though my progress is slow, I still see my progress, and I love that for myself. Like, I've been blessed on top of blessed on top of blessed. Like, all my blessings rolling in. And I'm not finna just, mess that up for somebody to get me back in my feelings, to have me where I don't want to do anything, where I want to be depressed, where I want to be laid up in the bed, where I want to be smoking pounds after pounds after pounds and going, crazy because a motherfucker don't want to be the same person to me no more. Like, I don't get it. I don't get these dudes. They want to come around when they want something, but when you want dedication, you want time, you want effort, you want dates, you want flowers and all this extra stuff, like, people can't seem to provide that, and I'm sick of it. Like, I just been learning to be content by myself, and that's just on a pussy ass hoe. The fuck? I've been in my content bag, and I've reached one of my goals on TikTok that I never thought I would reach by accident. It wasn't even by accident, y'all. Like, I've been doing my big one. Like, I don't even care. I can't even count. Like, this year is gonna be my best year, and I don't care what nobody say. I'm claiming all of it. I know I don't think to the future like that no more, because I stopped expecting things, because I always get let down, at the end. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to think positive. I'm going to speak, nothing but greatness over my life. Start not speaking negative, and some more shit. Because when you start thinking negative, you start to believe that shit. And sometimes, like, you start, like, self-sabotaging yourself because you thinking, I don't deserve this or whatever. Like, I don't care at this point. I'm going to do me. I'm going to take myself off for Valentine's Day. Going to treat myself like as a lady, as I should. Hence why I'm doing all this. Hence why I'm getting cute. Hence why I'm doing a new hairstyle. Hence why I'm spending all this money. Like, huh? But it's okay. It's all worth it, because I don't never do nothing for myself. Like, and I got to learn to stop regretting, like, spending money on myself. Like, every time I do my big one, y'all, I be like, why the did I just do that? Like, or I be like, I did not have to spend that much money, girl. You did too. You did a little too fucking much. Like, for Christmas, I feel like I did a little too fucking much, and then I think I still didn't do enough. Like, I had to get stuff for the house and some more shit. Like, I be working on stuff that, like, I need, like, my priorities. I could have got 50 million shoes. I could have got me a designer bag. I could have, all that extra money I have saved up. But no, I got my house together, had my son the best Thanksgiving, the best Christmas. And yeah, that's all that matters. Period. And that's on up CS. Oh, I don't need no nigga. But yeah, and then they all trying to come back around, y'all. It's just crazy to me. 2025 has taught me so much. Like, everybody keep trying to come back around because they see that, like, I'm not stunning them, and they see that I'm doing good. They see that I'm looking fine as wine. They see that, like, I'm not finna be chasing after nobody. I'm done doing it. I'm done embarrassing myself. I'm done looking like Boo Boo the Fool. I'm done not, you know what I'm saying, getting what I deserve I know what I deserve. That's why I'm finna give myself everything I deserve. Like, y'all, I'm finna make my Valentine's Day basket with y'all and some more shit. Period. My Valentine's Day basket. It's just some little stuff, cute little stuff. It's not too fucking much. And then, y'all, I bought myself flowers for the first time yesterday, and it was just like, I don't know, it was just so refreshing. I don't even know. Like, I have never had a man that just buy me flowers just because, like, on a regular day. Like, so me doing it on Valentine's Day is just like, okay, cool. But I feel like I should start doing it. I should start giving myself flowers on a regular day basis, or like, once a month, and or have, like, this person literally told me, like, she so single. I think the lady that was doing my toes at the nail shop, y'all, she told me literally that she schedules her flowers to get sent to her like a month or 3 months in advance, so she forget, and then by the time they get to her, she'd be like, oh, who sent me flowers? I said, oh my god, that is so fucking sad. I said, I would never. I told that lady to her face, I said, girl, that's a little too delusional for me. She said, am I delusional? I said, I think so. Like, what? I don't know what you think this is, but it ain't never gave desperate, boop. The fuck? But yeah, so I'm just finna take myself out. I bought me 3 bouquet of flowers, and then some cookies, and then some stuff for my Valentine's Day basket I'm gonna make. And I bought me a little promise ring to myself to, like, promise myself, like, I'm not going to ever get into another relationship until it's, like, a man that, like, really shares the same values, share the same views, like, have something to offer, loves me for me, not trying to change me, just makes my life easier, makes my life better, and not going to be a narcissist and a liar and love bomb me every time. Like, y'all, I have never experienced getting love bombed, but I did. Y'all remember that story time when I told y'all I had to crash out? I had got love bombed. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoying this little video or whatever. It's gonna be a long little vlog. I just had to come talk to y'all, kick shit with y'all, and I'm really fucking with this wig. I had a lot of mistakes. I almost gave up on it, but hey, I kept it trucking, and it came out real beaut, period. This is the final look, y'all. Damn, bitch. I can't even see. Hold on.
You're gonna want them later.
Where's my thing for my camera, my stand? You just helpless. Anyway, y'all, this is me. I'm trying to see, should I keep all the bows? I feel like that's so extra, but I'm extra. I don't care. Then I did a little side part. I'm getting better at side parts, y'all. I did not decide to do like a line on my part this time, but she see. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done, and yeah, period. Bad bitch, period. I don't know. I think I should just do, y'all think I should just do 2 bows? I feel like it's so complete with the 4 bows. Maybe if they were smaller. If they were smaller. I don't know. I like it. I really don't give a fuck what a bitch talking about. I don't give a fuck what a bitch say. I don't give a fuck. Honestly. Okay. And then this is how it looks in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. This is how this side look. I hope you guys can see. I'm getting better at this shit, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up tomorrow when I go get my nails done. Y'all, what's up? It's the next day or whatever. We finna go get my nails done. I just left my son's school or whatever. I just, you know, being a mom, taking time out to make sure I get all the necessary tools, because he's gonna be taking the Georgia milestone this year, and I ain't got time for the bullshit. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna go get our nails done at the spa, and then after that I'm gonna be going to another vegan restaurant. I might do that a separate video, so y'all see me with the same shit on. Keep it cute, bitch. Keep it cute. I'm fine as wine. I'm feeling myself. So I decided to just do 1 bow. I don't want to be extra read all about it. So yeah, we finna head to the nail shop. I'm finna stop by the house first, and then I'm finna head to the nail shop, and then yeah, I'm excited. We got a lot of stuff to do today. I gotta go to Walmart. I gotta get some stuff for my Valentine's Day basket that I want to make myself, and then some stuff for my grandma, because her birthday party is on Sunday. It's just a lot. So stay tuned. Are here at the nail shop. It is called Vibes. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. I hope I'm not just showing you guys nothing. There we go. So we're here at the nail shop, and I'm gonna go get my nails done and just relax. It don't look like too many people here, so hopefully I'll be in and out. And then I think I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna go to get me something to eat, and then I think that's gonna be it. So yeah, stay tuned, baby. y'all, we are out the nail shop. Oh my goodness, he did a good job, and I did not even overspend. I overspent by like $5-10, but my budget was $150, baby. I got everything I wanted, the design I wanted, like almost exactly. Like he missing a few lines, but this how my nails looking, boo. They look good, don't they? Ah, they look good. I'm trying to swerve in that corner. Ooh. I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the real things in a minute. So I'm finna go to Wally World and go pick up some stuff for my grandma, pick up some stuff for me, and then we finna head to Slutty Vegan, and then we finna head home, home, yeah, cause the bitch is tired, huh? This is my last day off. Well, no, it's not, bitch. I'm off Friday too. Hold on, so I gotta literally find me somewhere to go for tomorrow, like a restaurant. I already know like where I'm going in the morning time, and I think I want to go see Blue, and I might have to drop my son off so I can get everything done in a timely manner, hunty. And yeah, I'm trying to see if somebody caught her so I can go key that bitch. I'm trying to see if that nigga caught her so I can go key that hoe. But anyway, I ain't finna be crazy today. We finna go ahead on to Walmart, even though I said I want shopping at Walmart, but ain't there too many options, boop. I tried. It ain't too many options. Can't even shop at Kroger. Kroger ain't got shit. I ain't shopping at Target. I ain't never been no Target shopping, bitch. I mean, I could stop at this Rainbow too over here because I was supposed to be finding me a shirt and some more shit. So we finna see her. Too much money in Walmart, no lie. I spent too much money in there, like on my soul. I spent $230 in Walmart on some nonsense, really. Like, oh my god, I needed all that stuff, but I got it. So I got me some flowers. I got me all my stuff from my basket that I'm gonna make for Valentine's Day for myself. I got some more stuff that's coming from Amazon, even though I said I want shopping at her. That's coming as well, and I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I'm super duper excited because this is my first Valentine's showering myself. And yeah, so only thing I gotta pay for now, tomorrow, is the place that I'm going to take pictures and the place I'm going to take myself out to dinner, and that's probably gonna be it. And I'm going to go to the movies. So yeah, tease, baby, tease all around. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck is they talking about, Nathan? Yeah. So now we finna head to Slutty Vegan and get me a couple of items. I'm just probably gonna try like maybe 2 things, and that's probably gonna be it. I ain't gonna do too much at Slutty Vegan. This gonna be it's technically gonna be my first time trying it, because the first time I went, like, that was like years ago, and I didn't even really enjoy it for real, cause yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. This might be the end of this little vlog. When I might get a little vlog where I go to Slutty, but Slutty is gonna be a whole different video, period, because I'm gonna review Slutty. But what happened? What happened up here? Why they had to call the ambulance? What's up, y'all? It's the next day. It's Valentine's Day, and I forgot to end that video, but make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel, y'all.